Welcome to a tutorial on accessing and using the basic features of Zoom. After watching this tutorial, you'll know how to download the Zoom application onto your computer, how to schedule a meeting, how to start and run a meeting, how to record that meeting, and to finally send a link to a recorded meeting. Let's get started. From a browser, navigate to zoom.us/download and use this link for downloading to your computer. Once the app has downloaded, launch it and sign in using one of the 4 JVLA accounts. I'm going to use for demonstration purposes the 4th room, which is Zoom Room 4 at jvla.org, and the password is 5&Y ZOOM 4. Then hit enter, and you're taken to the home screen here. To schedule a meeting, go on the lower left, select that, and customize the meeting the way you'd like. Give it a title. I'm going to say Basics of Monetary Policy. You can then choose the date and time. Let's say we're going to start that on the 27th of July at 5 p.m. It's going to be an hour. You can adjust the length if you want. That won't, if your meeting goes over the specified time, it will not end. You can set your time zone. You can click this box if you want this to be a recurring meeting. This next area allows you to either turn on or off the video feature of Zoom. You can have your video operating and turn participants off if you like. We recommend you leave the setting to the default here for both computer and or telephone access. If you want, you can require a meeting password. If you click this box, it'll prompt you for a password. If you want students to join the meeting before you can enable that. And then you can schedule it in either Outlook, Google Calendar, or some other calendar. But what I recommend is that you send the link to the meeting through your course site. So once these are selected, you can hit schedule, and then the calendar feature of your either the Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar or some other calendar will pop up. Here's the meeting link in the Where feature of the Google Calendar. It's also reproduced right here. So I recommend we copy that link, head over to your course, launch a new news forum announcement, add a new topic, meeting link or something to that effect, and then cut and paste or paste that. Now you can create this as a hyperlink by using this feature of Moodle, and then that'll allow students to just click on that link when the meeting is ready. And in my announcements, what I usually do is specify the times. I'll announce the times in Arizona time zone where I'm in, Central Time, Eastern Time, Atlantic Time, Pacific Time, all the time zones that my students are in. So the news forum is one way of announcing the meeting and providing students with the link. Another way is to provide a permanent link, a synchronous meeting link to Wednesday or Sunday meetings when I offered our get-togethers. And this is the same link. In the case of using that recurring meeting where the link doesn't change, you can use this feature. Just add this as a special link to your students. Once you've scheduled your meeting and let your students know when and where and provided the link to the meeting, you can see that your meeting is down here in the meeting section of the home screen of Zoom. click that on, and there's our meeting, Basics of Monetary Policy. Now, one feature of Zoom that you'll notice is the sort of hidden menu items. If you scroll over, you can see the options popping up. So we could start the meeting here, we could edit the time, we could delete it, or we could reproduce it. So let's start the meeting by selecting Start. Once you launch the meeting, you'll see your meeting screen pop up. Here's, and then again, down here, when you roll your cursor over the bottom of the screen, you have the option of muting your microphone. Also, this is where you access your settings, audio options. You can test your computer mic and speakers with this feature. Testing 1, 2, 3. It looks like we're all good to go. So we'll get it out of here and back out of there. You can also stop the video if you don't want video. You can also check the video settings. Here again, you can invite participants. You can manage participants. So there's only one, that's me. But once students enter, you can turn on or off their mic and their video. And you can share your screen. From this feature, usually we recommend desktop, so whatever is on your desktop, students will be able to see. This is the chat window, so you can open up a chat feature. This is the recording button over here, and breakout rooms. More on breakout rooms in a future tutorial, how best to use these breakout rooms. They're very easy to set up and to maintain, but it's a very powerful tool that's best used with some direction. To record a meeting, simply select the record button here, and then you have the choice of recording or storing the file to your computer, or JVLA also has a cloud space in the Zoom cloud for your recording. Once you've finished the meeting, you can end the meeting by, in the lower right, select End Meeting for all. So you've downloaded Zoom, you've scheduled a meeting, you've run the meeting, you've recorded the meeting. Now let's say you want to share a link with the students who missed the meeting or want a record of the meeting. From the start area of the Zoom application, go down here to Meetings. There's our Basics of Monetary Policy meeting, and up here you see Upcoming Meetings and then Recorded Meetings. Go to the Recorded Meetings section. When you select this Open, it will take you to the website that has the recorded meeting. You can cut and paste the link, the URL link here, and send that to students who missed the meeting. When you click on that link, this page opens up. You have the option of audio only or recorded meeting with video, so we'll launch that. We can grab the link, cut and paste that, and send this link to students, and they will have a recording of the meeting. Once again, this allows you to download the Zoom application onto your computer. We've looked at how to schedule a synchronous meeting, how to start and run a synchronous meeting, how to record that meeting, and to send a link. Thanks very much.